Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw XDC from Bitrue to KuCoin in 2025. If you're into crypto trading, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly and securely. XDC, or Zinfand's digital currency, is gaining popularity, and transferring it between exchanges like Bitrue and KuCoin can help you maximize your opportunities. Don't worry if you're a beginner. This guide is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have accounts on both Bitrue and KuCoin and that your XDC is in your Bitrue wallet. Start by logging into your Bitrue account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your XDC balance. Next, navigate to the Withdraw option, usually found in the Wallet menu. Select XDC as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now, you'll need the KuCoin wallet address for XDC. Hop over to your KuCoin account, go to your wallet, and copy the XDC deposit address. Double-check that it's correct to avoid any mishaps. Back on Bitrue, paste the KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, keeping in mind any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees. Bitrue might use the XDC network for this, so ensure you have enough for gas fees if applicable. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication steps for security. After initiating the withdrawal, keep an eye on your KuCoin account. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, you're all set. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify addresses and amounts. That's it for this quick guide. Withdrawing XDC has never been easier. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.